Hey guys, I'm George Kamel, Ramsey personality, money expert, and homeowner. Why does that last part matter? Because today we're talking about home insurance, and I am the proud owner of a gorgeous, fully insured, cozy farmhouse. Now, what makes it a farmhouse? No clue, but I do know they can charge more for it. And nothing is cozier than knowing you're fully covered if your biggest investment goes up in smoke from your wife's pink pineapple sunrise candle. But what does fully insured actually mean? When it comes to insurance, you've got more options than the Cheesecake Factory menu, and it can be hard to know what home insurance you actually need. But don't worry, insurance is my jam. And by the end of this video, you'll know how much home insurance you need, what kind of coverages you should have, and the factors that affect your premium. Okay, let's start with how much home insurance you need. Unless you're a bajillionaire, you need enough to rebuild your home, replace your stuff, cover injuries that happen to guests on your property, and cover extra living expenses while your home is repaired or rebuilt. Now, before we get in too deep, you need to understand these terms, ACV and RCV. ACV is actual cash value. RCV is replacement cost value. ACV pays for what your house or stuff is worth at the time you lost it. So that trendy sofa that was $2,000 that's now a pile of melted velvet and cinders, well, you're gonna get roughly the going rate at a garage sale for that. But with RCV, you'll get what it costs to buy that sofa again right now. So if the new model is $3,000, that's how much you'll get. And if you're doing the math at home, you always want RCV coverage. Now keep in mind, there are limits here. Insurance will pay you as much as it costs to replace stuff up to a set total amount. All right, here are the home insurance coverages you need in case your house gets hit by a falling airplane door. Just saying, it's not out of the realm of possibility these days. Now, to rebuild your home, you should get RCV dwelling coverage. And if you can afford it, extended replacement cost coverage, because that will increase your limit by 25 to 100% in case building costs rise. And rise they will. To replace your stuff, you need to get RCV personal property coverage. Your coverage limit for this is usually a percentage of your dwelling coverage limit. To pay for injuries to guests on your property, you need liability coverage to cover medical and lawsuit expenses. And this is why I don't invite people over. It's just too risky. And nobody wants to come and visit my not-so-farmhouse. Anyways, most people are good with at least $500,000 in liability coverage. And finally, to cover extra living expenses, if you lose the use of your house, you need additional living expenses coverage, also known as ALE. Think hotel, eating out, etc. Make sure you get this. Your limit is usually 20 to 30% of your dwelling limit. Now, just a heads up, if you like to live on the edge of a fault line or river, you might need some extra coverages like earthquake or flood insurance. Your insurance agent can help you figure out if you need those. Now let's take a gander at the factors that impact your home insurance premium. How much you'll pay for all this cozy coverage depends on things like where you live. If you can see Brad Pitt when you look over your hedge, your rates will be higher. How big and expensive your house is. If Brad Pitt would live in your house, your rates will be higher. The age and condition of your home. If Brad Pitt would start an underground fight club in your house, your rates will be higher. The size of your deductible. I don't have any more Brad Pitt jokes. We'll just keep moving. What kind of coverage you get, and how often you file claims. Now, if you're looking for ways to save, start with bundling. Getting your home insurance from the same place you get your other insurance, like auto, can save some people up to 25%. And to learn more about your home insurance options, check out the link in the description to get in touch with a Ramsey trusted insurance agent. And if this video was helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.